True beats.
Hey guys, welcome to my new flat in London. I just got my keys and I thought today I would do an empty flat tour first because this place is quite empty compared to my last one. There's hardly any furnishing besides the bed and a couch that I'm probably gonna throw away. So it's gonna take me a while to get it furnished. So I thought I would show you guys around before I move in. I got the keys today, but I'm actually moving in next week because I just wanted to clean up everything before I moved in. So this place is in North London and is in Zone 2. I don't want to get too specific about where it is, but just compared to my last one, this one is kind of in a more quaint neighborhood and I just feel like the area's a bit better. This is a 1-bedroom flat and it's about 426 square feet. Anyways, let's just get started. So when you first come in, there's kind of this little hallway area, which I like that it's so small because typically in a lot of flats, the hallway area wastes the most amount of space. If you watch my flat hunting tour, you'll see there was one flat where there was a big long hallway, but it actually felt a bit smaller than this flat just because the hallway took up so much space. When you enter, there's this little mirror and shoe rack. I'm gonna keep it for now, but I'm probably gonna replace the mirror with the big oval one that I have already. And then to the left here, there's just the washing machine with just some storage on top, which is nice. Right in front of the door actually is the washroom. We're in the washroom now and it's actually really big and spacious. I'm sorry if there's an echo. There's probably gonna be an echo in every room because it's so empty. But yeah, it's really spacious for a washroom. I could probably store some stuff in here. It's definitely not the most updated washroom, but definitely good enough. There's a lot of space. I might even try and put a little vanity here so that I can have like my, hair dryer and makeup and things like that. Yeah, nothing really to say here. Standard toilet, standard sink situation, standard shower. I love how there's a lot of space because I can definitely see myself putting a plant or two in here. I don't think I'm allowed to drill holes in the wall, but I think maybe I can try and stick some hanging plants to the ceiling and things like that. So it could look really cute in here, even though right now it's very like sterile and white. And now we're in the kitchen / living space. So behind me, you see this very old couch. I have gotten the landlord's permission to get rid of it and just get a new couch. So I'm still on the market for a nice couch. I didn't realize how expensive couches were, so I'm probably looking for something secondhand, but yeah, if anyone has any recommendations for where I can get a couch for not like ridiculous price, let me know. I'm definitely looking at IKEA, but open to other options. Anyways, this is a really nice sized room. I love the kind of like, I think it's a faux fireplace. Like, I don't know if it's just for decor that they built in the shelves or if it's like there used to be a fireplace and they closed it up. I don't know, but I think it adds a lot of character and I love that it's white. So definitely I can see myself putting a lot of decor on the shelves and on the fireplace shelf as well, which would be super cute. Yeah, it's a bit awkward to put a sofa here because I feel like in this position, it kind of takes away from the shelves and the wall. When I came to see the property, actually the couch was turned that way, which I think might be nice. It's just that the kitchen is here. So it's kind of in the way if you put the couch too close to the counters. But yeah, definitely gonna have a play around with that. I think I'm also gonna get a smaller couch than this one. It might not look very large, but this couch is actually pretty big. I love this window here. It lets in a lot of light and I can just imagine myself putting a cute like round table here with 2 wooden chairs. And then the kitchen over here, the stove top and the oven's actually pretty updated and new, it looks like. The only thing that I was a little disappointed about was the fridge. It's pretty small, like it's not a mini fridge, but it's like a size of a half fridge and the freezer space is pretty small. So I definitely would need to go buy groceries more often instead of buying a lot at once, which might be good, but yeah, we'll see. Oh, the other thing I noticed was actually there is no dishwasher. I didn't notice that when I was looking at the property, but I just realized right now I did not see a dishwasher. Anyways, yeah, pretty good storage in here, so no complaints about that. And I kind of like the wood countertop. It brings kind of a natural element to the room. And I can see that would be really nice with some like wooden chairs and plants and things like that. I can definitely see myself making this space really cute. The thing about the windows is I would love to replace the curtains with long flowy ones. I might ask the landlord if I can attach new curtains or just Icene stick-on curtain rods. I'm probably looking at light curtains anyway, so that might work. These ones are not too bad, but I think long flowy curtains will look really nice in here. Anyways, let's move on to the bedroom. And now we're in the bedroom, which is also a decent size. I love that a lot of the units in London have high ceilings. It really makes the room seem a lot bigger, and also the big windows lets in so much light. Like, you can kind of see how nice the lighting is in here, and today's a nice day. it's definitely, yeah, it definitely lets in a lot of light. Same thing in this room, I would love to replace the curtains. It's also just like mismatched with the other room, and it's like brown like shades, so I would love to replace that. But yeah, these are little projects that I'm gonna try and take on through the year. There's that like faux fireplace looking kind of thing. I was thinking maybe I could do like put records and record player in there. I think that'd be really cute. There's also enough room in here for a desk, which I think I'm gonna put in this corner over here under the shelves. I also would need to get a wardrobe for this room. So this is obviously a converted flat, so this probably wasn't a bedroom to begin with, so there's no closet. I'm thinking of getting one of those IKEA systems that doesn't have any like doors or anything. It's just kind of like a stand, and putting it in this corner over here, but adding big white flowy curtains from the ceiling to cover it. It's a little bit of an ambitious project because first of all, how am I going to attach anything to the ceiling? Or have some kind of stand for the curtains? I don't know, I'm just thinking about it. I might just end up buying a wardrobe to put there. But yeah, definitely need some closet space in here and maybe like a chest of drawers or something. So looking into all those pieces. This room did also come with a bed. At first I didn't really like the bed because I think it's kind of dark for my taste. I kind of wanted a light brown wood design, but it's growing on me. I might keep it. Like, even if I didn't want to keep it, I'm kind of not sure what I would do with it, because I bet the landlord doesn't want to get rid of this bed because it's actually in pretty good condition. But I'm just gonna keep it for now and see how it goes with the rest of my decor and make a decision then. Anyways, that's basically the end of the tour. I feel like my last one was so long and then this one is just really short. But if you guys want to see my previous flat, which was more modern and a new building, I'll link it in the cards. I also shared the location of my last flat if you guys want to watch my previous vlog, if you're curious where it is. Although if you know the area or the buildings, you probably could tell where it was because all the buildings in the areas look the same and the interior is also all the same. But I really love the neighborhood here much more than my previous flat, so I'm looking forward to like exploring the neighborhood and just like decorating this place. I like that it has a lot of character. To me, this is a lot of character. To some people, this is probably not even that much character, but to me, this feels like, oh, like there's like, you know, crowning around the walls and there's like this fake fireplace that looks kind of built in, but that's fine. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see me decorate this flat / move in, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!